inSitu Dispatch just introduced a powerful new feature, route settlement. You can still use the standard mode for simple route planning, perfect for teams that just need optimized routes synced with orders and invoices. But now there's a more advanced mode designed for full delivery control. It adds step-by-step verification for admins and drivers, confirms product loading onto trucks, and includes a new reports dashboard to track sales, returns, and payments in real time. Once a route is complete, everything is automatically compiled and sent for approval, giving you total visibility and accountability across every delivery. Now, let's learn everything you'll need to know to start implementing route settlement. First, remember to go to the Settings tab in Routes. Scroll to the bottom, enable route settlement, and then save. With route settlement enabled, we can now send the route to the driver. When your driver opens the app, they will now need to review the route before starting. The review will display the products and total units required for delivery. Drivers will need to confirm loading each product to accept a route. For our example, let's have the driver collect payments from 2 of the customer stops, while needing to cancel the last one. With the route complete, go to the New Reports screen. From here, we can review all of the driver activity. Scrolling down, we are able to see the total sales, as well as the payments collected. The canceled stop will show a negative value due to the returned products. Tapping the small I produces a list of the returns. Tap the products table to view a comprehensive delivery summary, including how many of each product were loaded, sold, and returned. All that's left now is to select Finish Route and attach a signature to send the data back to the admin site. On the admin site, return to the Route Settlement tab, where admins can review the data, settle the route, and download a PDF for any delivery metric as needed. Clicking Settle will balance the route, producing a financial summary before final confirmation. The route will now be marked as Completed Settle.